Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is, didn't you mind? Didn't you mind? क्या आपने बुरा तो नहीं मनाया? Second, where is your old flip-flop? Where is your old flip-flop? तुम्हारी पुरानी चप्पल कहाँ है? 3. It must be in the house. It must be in the house. घर में कहीं होगी. 4. Then why are you buying this new? Then why are you buying this new? तो फिर तुम ये न्यू क्यों खरीद रहे हो? 5. Whenever you already have this. जबकि तुम्हारे पास पहले से ये है. 6. Either you have a penchant for spending extravagance. Either you have a penchant for spending extravagance. या तुम्हें फजूल खर्ची करने का शौक है. 7. No, it's nothing of the sort. No, it's nothing of the sort. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. 8. If not so like that, then what is this? If not so like that, then what's this? अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो फिर ये क्या है? 9. Oh please, what to hide from me now? Oh please, what to hide from me now? Oh मेहरबानी, अब मेरे से भी क्या छुपाना? The last one is 10. What should I tell you now? What should I tell you now? मैं अब तुम्हें क्या बताऊं? So first sentence is, time once lost cannot be regained. Time once lost cannot be regained. गुजरा हुआ वक्त कभी वापस नहीं आता. Second, no stone unturned. No stone unturned. कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ना. 3. I know you inside out. I know you inside out. मैं तुम्हारी रग रग से वाकिफ़ हूँ. 4. It's torn. It's torn. ये फटा हुआ है. 5. It happened unknowingly. It happened unknowingly. ये अनजाने में हुआ है. 6. There is no lack of lunatics in this street. There is no lack of lunatics in this street. इस गली में पागलों की कोई कमी नहीं है. 7. He killed himself in despair. He killed himself in despair. उसने मायूसी में खुदकुशी कर ली. 8. She is often shy. She is often shy. वो अक्सर शर्माती है. 9. Harry and David fight over trivial matters. Harry and David fight over trivial matters. मामूली सी बात पर हैरी और डेविड लड़ पड़ते हैं. The last one is 10. I abhor eating non-veg. I abhor eating non-veg. मुझे गैर सब्ज़ी खाना पसंद नहीं. फ्रेंड, वो मेरा जिगरी दोस्त है. सेकंड, he often comes home at dead of night. He often comes home at dead of night. वो अक्सर आधी रात को घर आता है. 3. rise and shine dear mom. rise and shine dear mom. सुबह बखैर प्यारी अम्मी जान. 4. nighty night dear father. nighty night dear father. शब बखैर प्यारे अब्बा जान. 5. I know him well. I know him well. मैं उसको अच्छी तरह जानता हूँ. 6. Don't vex me. Don't vex me. मेरा दिमाग मत खाओ. 7. He just went out. He just went out. वो अभी बाहर गया है. 8. This is sin. This is sin और it is sin. ये गुनाह है. 9. The glass shattered into pieces. The glass shattered into pieces. कांच के टुकड़े टुकड़े हो गए. The last one is 10. I was born in April. I was born in April. मैं अप्रैल में पैदा हुआ था.